Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Indian Roadmaster Limited, a bike that seamlessly combines luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a touring enthusiast or simply appreciate fine craftsmanship, this motorcycle is sure to impress. Design and aesthetics. First up, let's talk about design. The 2025 Roadmaster Limited boasts a stunning silhouette with classic Indian styling. Its premium paint options, chrome accents, and comfortable saddle create an elegant yet aggressive look. The bike is equipped with full LED lighting, enhancing visibility and style, especially during nighttime rides. Performance and engine. The Roadmaster Limited is powered by the Thunderstroke 116 engine, delivering 126 ft-lbs of torque. This robust engine ensures a smooth ride, whether you're cruising through the city or tackling long stretches of highway. The bike features advanced riding modes, allowing you to customize your experience based on terrain and conditions. Technology and features. The 2025 model is packed with technology. The Ride Command system features a large touchscreen display that offers navigation, music control, and vehicle diagnostics. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily sync your devices. Plus, the premium audio system ensures you enjoy your favorite tunes while on the road. Comfort and ergonomics. Comfort is key for long-distance touring, and the Roadmaster Limited excels in this area. The plush seat, adjustable windscreen, and heated grips make every ride enjoyable. The bike also features a spacious storage system, including saddlebags and a trunk, providing ample space for all your gear. Safety features. Safety is a top priority, and the 2025 Roadmaster Limited includes advanced features such as ride-enhancing traction control, ABS, and cornering traction control. These systems work together to ensure you stay in control, no matter the conditions. Conclusion. The 2025 Indian Roadmaster Limited is a remarkable blend of luxury, performance, and technology. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or just a ride around town, this motorcycle is built for the journey ahead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews and updates. Thanks for watching and ride safe. Thanks for joining BikeZone.